Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So Huawei recently announced a new watch called Huawei Watch GT Runner, and it's aimed at users who are obviously runners. But it's not limited to just them. If you work out or do trekking or anything for that matter, it will work just fine. FYI, it has 100 sports modes. But the reason why it's focused on runners is because it incorporates new tweaks appropriate to its theme. You will find a professional grade stopwatch app and marathon optimized tracking. Furthermore, it's lightweight, weighing only 38.5 grams, making it comfortable during running, training or any kind of workout. And it is indeed a perfect companion for the wrist all day long. Additionally, it comes with an antibacterial silicone strap. Users don't need to worry about bacteria generated from sweat during running or workouts. The case is made up of a tough but lightweight polymer for enhanced durability and comfort for prolonged wear during training. Next up, they have improved the design for GPS antennas. The new Huawei watch is said to have a floating antenna design, which promises an increase in GPS antenna efficiency of more than 135% over traditional antenna designs. If that's not enough, the device supports 5 positioning systems. That's GPS, Beidou, GLONASS, Galileo and QZSS. So the user's location is determined in just a matter of seconds, even in densely built up areas. So now let's move on to some of the basic stuff about the watch. It supports 1.43-inch round AMOLED screen and comes in 46mm size. There's Huawei TrueScene 5.0 optical heart rate module, SpO2 measurement and activity tracking for over 100 sports mode. You also get 4 gigs of storage, NFC and Bluetooth connectivity, but there is no cellular connection. If they could have incorporated LTE, it would have been so much better. The reason why I said that is because it has an onboard microphone and speaker, meaning you can take calls from your connected phone. If it had LTE connection, then there would be no need to carry phone while workouts. Anyways, the whole package is 5 ATM water resistant, which is basic. The battery life is rated at 14 days on a single charge, and with high usage, it can last up to 7 days. The Watch GT Runner also features wireless charging in addition to the regular wired charging. Now the best feature about this watch is Huawei has announced support for third-party apps with HarmonyOS operating system, meaning it's not limited to just pre-installed apps. Users can download many third-party applications. Now for pricing and availability, the new Watch GT series member goes for 2188 yuan, that's $343 and the first sale in China will begin on November 26th, although the OEM has yet to announce availability in any other countries. So yeah, that is all for this video. Hope it was helpful. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.